Hey there! Are you constantly bothered by that pesky server authentication error login fail 211 message popping up every time you try to jump into PUBG Mobile on your iPhone? No worries, I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to squish that error and get you back to gaming in no time. So let's not waste a second and jump straight into the solutions. Solution 1. Check for network issue. First things first, make sure your device is hooked up to a stable internet connection. If it's acting up, try toggling airplane mode on for a brief moment and then back off. Alternatively, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that does the trick. Solution 2. Check the status of PUBG servers. This error often crops up when the servers are down or undergoing maintenance. To check their status, fire up any browser on your iPhone. Then head over to downdetector.com. Hit that search icon, type in PUBG and give it a tap. Next, scroll through and watch out for any significant spikes in the chart for today. If you see any, it means the servers are experiencing issues. In that case, just hang tight and wait for the PUBG team to work their magic. Once they sort it out, you'll be back in action. Solution 3. Another trick is offloading the game. To do this, dive into your Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Then, hit iPhone Storage. Next, scroll until you find PUBG Mobile and tap on it. Hit the Offload App button. After that, tap Offload App again. And just like that, the game will be offloaded. Now, simply tap Reinstall App and let it do its thing. Once it's done, launch the game and that error will be a thing of the past. So folks, that's how you tackle the server authentication error login fail 211 hiccup in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you in a jiffy. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.